The pet toys you now see are popular toys in our company, which are designed, produced and sold by our own. They are puzzle toys that help dogs and cats improve intelligence. And we have designed more chew toys, outdoor toys and so on for pets. We are a manufacturer of original designed pet products and launches more than 60 new products every year. These dog teeth cleaning chew toys designed by us have received numerous praise from consumers. There are some that can make funny squeaks, and some multifunctional ones that can be used as frisbees. These toys are not only good for your dog grinding teeth and cleaning teeth, but also for passing boring time and increasing master-pet closeness. We are a standardized enterprise that has the BSCI Grade B certification. We are a professional pet products designing and manufacturing enterprises. We look forward to meeting you in the world's various product exhibitions.